Hello friend, welcome back. In this video I want to discuss about another very important things, that is the string immutability. That means immutability. Okay, string immutability. So now with this string immutability, I want to show some of the example, then everything will be more clear. Like I take one of the variable as a message, and here I want to pass it as a as a jai. Okay, jai Ariyan. So don't want to run this as a jai Ariyan. Here I want to pass one of the hi Ariyan. Okay, so if you want to change that string value, you cannot actually change it. You have to reassign our total string. Okay, then I show you, like if you want to change it, if you now click as a save all, now that should be displayed as a jai Ariyan. Now click as a refresh, you can see there is a G Ariyan. So now I want to change it. I want to make it as a, I take another variable. Okay, I take it as a message. Into this message, our first index is 0, right? Our first index is 0. So this 0 value I want to change it. Here I want to replace with the high. Okay, that means the age. I want to replace it. Now it would be work, but if you click as a save all, if you now refresh it, now you see they have no changes. As I told you, you cannot change any string direct value. Here if you want to change it, then you have to reassign it again. Like here I want to copy it, and I want to make it as a hi Ariyan. Okay, I want to make it as a hi Ariyan. So now if you click as a save all, and now if you refresh it, now you can see now that is actually changed. So as I told you, you cannot change it all that value directly. You have to reassign your string value. Okay friend, I hope it's very much clear to you. And after that, if you want to concrete another text, you can concrete it like as a hi Ariyan, how are you? Okay, I want to display another one as a how are you. Now that should be also add. Now click as a save all. Now if you refresh it, you can see there is a hi Ariyan, how are you? And also if you want to pass, that means here that is our hi Ariyan. I make it as a hi Ariyan. This hi Ariyan, I take it with this variable. If you want to pass this variable with the concrete, you can pass it. So I simply pass it in here. Okay, that means this message I pass it plus how are you. So now here that is our hi Ariyan. That means the first time that will be displayed as hi Ariyan plus how are you, right friend? And then I take it with this variable in our console log. I print this our message. Now if you click as a save all, now that should be as the same result. Click as a refresh, hi Ariyan, how are you? Okay friend. So that's called actually the string immutability. So if you want to change some of the string value, you cannot change it directly. You have to reassign your total string value again. Okay, so I hope it's very much clear to you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.